this is one of the things that keep me from getting on the road by myself, is that I have to be able to pump the gas by myself. Look at this. Pumping gas by myself. I had to figure it out. It's a little difficult, like, especially this little station right here got so many extra buttons and shit, but I figured it out. I took my time. I figured it out. I took my time lifting the thing up, and I'm gonna sit here for a minute, get my energy back up, and then I'm back on the road again. Time to get it. Time to get it. Time to get it. Time to get back on this road. Let's go.